This is a fire alarm using the 741 IC. Okay, my friends, so you need this 0 PCB. Okay, the 0 PCB. We also needed the IC socket 8 pins for our IC. Get a 100k ohm resistor. Okay, put onto the 0 PCB. We also needed this 100k ohm potentiometer onto 0 PCB. We're gonna need the LED. I'm using the red one. You can pick any LED. Okay, we need another resistor. For this time is 10k ohm resistor. We put onto the 0 PCB like that. We need a transistor. I'm using 2N3904. Okay, ABC is the pinout, emitter, base, and collector, and we put it onto the PCB, the 0 PCB as well. A photodiode. Okay, a photodiode is our sensor. Okay, we move. Okay, we move on. You know, the emitter of the transistor and the negative side of the LED is going to ground. Okay, emitter and the LED minds to ground. From the base of this transistor to pin 6 of the IC with the 10k ohm resistor. The plus of the LED is going to pin 6. Okay, from pin 4 to pin 2 with the 100k ohm resistor in between. The middle pin of the part is going to pin 3 of the IC. Okay, the 100k ohm potentiometer. The negative side of the photodiode to pin 3, positive to pin 7. Now one of the outer pins of the 100k ohm part goes to pin 7 and the other to pin 4. The pin 4 of the IC goes to ground. Okay, pin 4 to ground, the emitter to ground, and the shorter pin of the LED to ground also. Okay, that's the instruction. We connect the negative side of the buzzer to collector of the transistor. Now from pin 5, the VCC, with the positive side of the buzzer. Now the IC, we put it into the secret, I don't know, onto or into. Now the VCC, the power supply is 5 volts. Okay, 5 volts. We adjust the secret. Okay, the diagram